Hello everyone. Okay, today we will make a video tutorials of blogs as a student. The student is to click. You'll see on the screen my course. Click on Moodle Teacher EVO 19. Yes. So here home my course is about our course. That's the name of the course. Here is grade 3. Yes. You can see here we have two people online user comments. Some updated comment will go on the first or on the top. Yes. On right corner, latest announcement. You can see any announcement here. The other topics are week 3. Upcoming events, forming groups for the collaborative Moodle course. Yes. And here the latest pastry. This one. Yes, activity. You can go to the forum. Yes. Like this. How does it? Here is the description of the topic. Your discussion. There are 15 discussion. And unread posts. 41. Yes. You can go back. Small. Yes. Yeah. And also you can see completion progress. Yeah. And the tick one. That's all.